What's up, everyone? I am back from Honolulu and I've already got a stack of packages to get through. This one I expect is going to be fast and easy because I have the Jordan 3 Fire Red in this box. It came from End Clothing in the UK. This is the second time that I've ever won anything from End after years and years of trying, but this is why we try. And I managed to see these shoes in hand in the Kith store in Honolulu, and they are fantastic. So I expect this is going to be a very easy review for me to do, as long as the shoes in this box match what I saw when I was in Honolulu. Let's have a look. Air Jordan 3 White Fire Red Black. Interesting. I don't know that I've ever seen that before. High performance leather is used throughout this Air Jordan shoe, providing soft leather comfort with better durability. That is interesting because one of the things that I was going to note when I saw this shoe in Hawaii is that the materials feel amazing. It's just a very, very premium shoe with a very, very classic colorway, and that is a very nice recipe for success. So let's have a quick look. The pair that I got does look pretty clean, which matches with what I saw in the store. This leather is fantastic. It's tumbled already, it's durable, it's incredibly durable. It just looks like the more that you wear this shoe, the nicer it's gonna look. And that's one of the reasons why I sold my Jordan 4s in the Fire Red colorway. It was a great colorway, but the leather just felt like it was gonna crease too easy and start to look a little too worn if I wore it a lot. Whereas this one looks like it's just gonna age beautifully. And I think that has to do with the fact that this leather is tumbled and just very thick. It's nice. It's a very, very nice shoe. And that's not to say that smooth leather is not nice, but tumbled leather, at least to my eye and mind, wears in a little bit better over time. This shoe, in a sense, reminds me a lot of the Obsidians. It's just a quality shoe with quality materials, and you know what's happened with Obsidian pricing. This is a great classic colorway. They did the elephant print a little bit lighter, I think, than like the recent re-release with the denim. And the materials are fantastic. You know, all of the recent releases that I've gotten, the Racer Blue Jordan 5s, the Pine Green Jordan 3s, they all use a suede that I think with time just breaks down a little bit too easily. This shoe is built to last. That's why I love it. Classic colorway, looks fantastic on feet. And of course, for good measure, we have got the Nike Air on the back as opposed to the Jumpman. This one is a keeper for sure. So, not gonna say much more other than check out the close-ups because this shoe is beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.